just flew. Spin the globe and close your eyes.
Talaga, ilang rice ba kinain mo kanina?
Ba't galit ka?
With you. Let's stop thinking about it. The world will go on without us. We'll disappear somewhere. If it's you and me, I'll be there. Let's drive to Vegas. Your old Mercedes. Just wander aimless. Take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy.
Mga tao yan ha. See you later. Please enjoy this gift para mahimbing pa din tulog mo pag wala ako.
Let's drive to Vegas. Your old Mercedes. Just wander aimless. Take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy. So are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. I know I'm crazy. Crazy about you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. There is no rhyme or reason why.
Nika, thank you for being understanding. In times na sobrang kulit, sobrang pasaway, magulo. Thank you for always being positive. Kahit sometimes there's some misunderstandings sa ating dalawa. Wala naman nangyari na hindi natin naayos.
Nothing I could do or have ever done.
Jose Paulo, bukal ba sa ilobang iyong pagparito upang makaisandibdib si Nika ay iyong pangmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo.
We all want to be. Why it's so hard to sleep. The heart it becomes fire, the soul it becomes the sea. When we are known.
Uy, magusot yung kalado!
Love is all
Mamaya, iyakan na to.
Bastahan tayo, bastahan. Pag hindi, pagka walang umiyak.
This is the place we're all hiding.
Kita mo yun?
Getting closer to being known. We all want to be. Why it's so hard to sleep.
Thank you for always being there. Special occasions, any needs na kailangan ko. Andun ka. And thank you for being patient. Paul, thank you for choosing me.
Nika, bukal ba sa ilobang iyong pagparito upang makaisandibdib si Jose Paulo na iyong pangmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Jose Paulo at Nika, ano man ang hirap at sakit dilim ng buhay, kung kayo'y magkaisang hawak kamay at kasama niyo ang Diyos, tunay na liwanag ang makikita niyo sa inyong pagtahak sa daigdig na ito bilang isang pamilya. Jose Paulo, you may now kiss the bride. Jose Paulo at Nika, mamatay man na inyong katawan, huwag lamang ang sumpa na inyong bibitiwan sa harapan ng Diyos, sa labanan ng Diyos, na kayo'y magmamahalan sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, mula ngayon hanggang sa uling sandali ng inyong buhay.